All right, so let's look at the stock of Bed Bath & Beyond. A lot of excitement is going on because then these guys is talking about bankruptcy. Bankruptcy. Let's just look at the chart and see what's going on. All right, so I have the 4-hour chart up. All right, so the stock has done nothing. I usually like doing daily, weekly, monthlies. We're going to do it with the 4 hours, and then we're going to deal with the 1 hours. All right, so I got the 4-hour chart going on, and you can see the straight up downtrend, right? Nothing exciting here, nothing to look at. I'm thinking, how do I short this thing? How do I buy puts? That's what I'm thinking looking at the 4-hour chart. I see a lot of activity going on over here in August, right? They spiked the stock up huge, right? It's up to 459%. I don't know what was going on, but I do know that they sold it off just as fast. Look at these huge gap downs, didn't even really try to fill. And then it's been a sinking ship all the way down to just recently. Look at the volume over here in the month of August, right? But now, and you see how the volume just falls off and the stock is, nothing is happening from basically August, September till now. So what I want to do is focus right now to see what is going on with the Bed Bath & Beyond. Kind of the chart looks just like it did in August. And we're going to go back to that in a minute, but let's see what's going on. Why is this stock popping? And it starts to pop right here around January 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, right in that area. So I wanted to go to the news on this one. I wanted to see, why is this stock popping from $1.50 all the way up to $5? So how did I do that? I went to FinViz and went to January 13th. That's as far back as it's going, January 13th, 12th. And you can see here, Bed Bath & Beyond in talks with Sycamore Partners for sale. Bed Bath & Beyond reportedly selling assets to private equity firm. All right, so now we know why the stock was just popping. All right, so these guys are like, okay, yeah, we're gonna sell the company, right? So I guess shorts getting out or exciting people about wanting to, basically trading it. Let's buy the stock. Shorts has got to buy it. Buyers has got to buy it. The stock is gonna pop, and yes, it did. It popped something serious there. 279% in 3 days. That's crazy. But ever since then, it's been sinking down. Volume has been falling off. And now just recently a pop. And this one, I don't understand. Let's see what's going on now. Okay, so for this, I went to Yahoo Finance and I'm seeing what's going on January 30th, right? Bed Bath & Beyond preparing to file for bankruptcy. Bed Bath & Beyond to close 87 more stores. Bed Bath & Beyond says it can't pay what it owes. Sounds like a stock you want to be in? Not me. I want to get out of this thing, man. I'll just be done. You can wake up any day and they'll say, yep, we filed for bankruptcy. And then the paper you have is worthless. Okay, people will still buy it from you. I mean, like, remember Hertz last year? But it's something I don't want to mess with. But let's pretend that we don't know any of that. Let's just look at the chart and see what's going on. Okay, just like in August, right? What was that? August, you see the incline, volume increasing, and it just falls off, volume falls off. I actually think it's going to do the same thing. I actually think it's just going to fall off. We got the excitement, and it's just going to fall off until these guys do claim bankruptcy and just go away. So back to looking over here. But one thing that is exciting is that it is pushing up against the downward trend line. If there's a break above this, I might consider, for a trade, maybe we can get back in. But right now the trend is down. Any buying should be sold off like all of these guys did. Anytime the stock popped, it's sold off. But right here, you can see this bar right here, it hit the downward trend line and it's sold off, and I think traders are just waiting for it to do the same thing. So right now, if it's up here about $3.10, sell. It's going to zero. But if it does pop, and meme stocks, this is considered a meme, who knows what they do, if it does break this trend line, maybe then you can get in for a trade it up. I wouldn't, it would be quick. I mean, if I make 12%, I'm happy. But some people want to go to 100, 200%. What happened to GameStop? $500? That was crazy. I think it was 500, right? That's crazy. Anyway, Get 10, 12% and get out. That's me with me. Well, actually, me, I wouldn't even touch it. But I guess if you're going to do, man, just don't be greedy, because any day, any second, the news can drop. I was going to say hurts. Bed Bath & Beyond did file for bankruptcy. So anyway, that's it, man. What do you think of this video? Did you like me talking about Bed Bath & Beyond? I don't know. Hey, you want me to talk about a stock you like? Put it in the comments and like, subscribe. You know the deal. Thanks for watching.